How to oil avoid overheating engine. Engine oil does more than lubricate moving parts, but also helps regulate the engine's temperature. Oil helps dissipate heat and ensures that the engine's internal components stay cool. Engine oil prevents overheating by reducing friction between moving metal parts and absorbing and carrying away excess heat from the combustion chamber. Low oil levels or old, degraded oil cause friction to spike, which rapidly increases engine temperatures and leads to severe overheating. This is important to monitor the temperature and oil levels to prevent overheating, especially during long trips or heavy-duty use. If engine overheats, immediately pull over to a safe location and turn off the engine. Let it cool before checking the oil and coolant levels.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.